Step 1. Please turn off the macro control before using your iPhone, because turning on the macro function will change the phone camera that is being used. Step 2. Find phone main camera. Open the camera mode of your phone. Adjust to EX normal shooting. Lock the phone camera one by one with your finger and find out the one that's working. Put the phone clip at the place of phone camera. Slide the ring up and down so that the center of the ring coincides with the center of the camera you just found by your finger. Step 3. Fix the phone clip. Step 4. Fix the telephoto lens. Step 5. Adjust the focal length and magnification. Align the object to be observed and gently turn the focus ring left and right until the image is clear. It can then be combined with the phone's zoom function to adjust the final image zooming.